Mr. Charles Kasses, the County Police Commander, Kisii County, and with me is the CCIO, Kisii County, Madam Catherine, AP Commander, Mr. Kiterio, and the DCIO, Kisii Central. At this point, I would like to inform you and the members of public and the entire residents of Kisii County that yesterday, at around 21:50 hours, we were able to get a breakthrough in our operations, which was, of course, led by the DCI as our lead investigation agency. In our operation, that we were able to arrest 2 suspects within Kisii town near Texas petrol station. That is the junction heading to Nyamataro and Marani area. This is after an extensive investigation for the robberies that have been taking place within Suneka area, within our M-Pesa agents, and we were able to arrest 2 suspects who were on our radar. One, namely James Ocheng, who was the rider, and a pillion passenger, namely Gerald Okumu, both aged 35 years. And upon search, we were able to recover a pistol, make Banadeli, with 5 rounds of ammunition from the rider. And also we were able to recover 4 improvised metal bars from the pillion passenger, and these metal bars are able to fire rounds. These suspects are now in our custody, pending to be arraigned before court. Again, today we were able to make a miscellaneous application. We are requesting for 30 days because we also suspect these criminals are engaged in criminal activities within the neighboring counties